How to create Paycor account. In this video, I will show you how can you easily create a Paycor account. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly you need to open the official website of Paycor. So for that, open Google application in your device. In the search box, simply type Paycor employee login and at the top, click on employee login under the official website of Paycor. Now, as you see, you are headed toward the login page. Simply click on register here option as you don't have account. Now you need to fill in all these details, choose the language, provide your last name and now the access code. This access code is provided by the company itself. So if you don't have this code, you won't be able to create an account for yourself. After you enter this code, provide your email and go to next. So that's it. That is how easily you can create an account for yourself on Paycor application. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.